This is a walkthrough and tutorial of how to use the Spirit Week activity from the Everything from Home template. And this template contains activities and games you can do with friends and coworkers while you are working, socializing, and pretty much doing everything from home. So I'm going to head on over to the Working from Home Activities folder, go to Spirit Week, and this game activity is actually based on a doc that my colleague Andrew built. This is his actual doc. It's called Virtual Spirit Week. And the whole idea of this game is that every weekday there's a spirit captain, and that captain picks what that weekday theme will be. So there's some fun things like dress up your pet or plant day, wear a fun hat, find your twin, and there's a whole list of ideas down here. You can, of course, add your own ideas if you have other creative ideas here, but this is just one list you can use to pick different themes for a weekday. And as you pick a different theme, you'll see that the notes here also change because this is just pulling from this list down here. So the idea here is that the Spirit Captain the day before would remind everyone over Slack or email and say, hey, Tuesday is dress up your pet or plant day. Don't forget to do this for Spirit Week. So they would send out a message on Monday, and then on Tuesday, everyone will post images of their pet or plant on Slack or over email. And at the end of the day, you can add images of what people posted on Slack or email or other communication platforms. So this is dress up your pet or plant day, and I can add images of people's dogs that have been dressed up. And that's basically Spirit Week. And you can see some images of our own team doing this in this doc right here, which is the official Virtual Spirit Week doc. And this is our team dressing up with hats and our pets and other various Spirit Day themes. And that's how you can play the Spirit Week activity.